This is the reporting of Group 15. The Bicolanos history, culture. Bicol and Bicolnon both refer to the people, culture, and languages of the Bicol region. The term Bicol could have been derived from Bico, the name of river that drained into San Miguel Bay. Possible origins also include the Bicol or Bicol bamboo, Bicol bamboo tree, which line rivulets and the accent native word Bicol listed. Ang Bicol at Bicolnon ay parehong tumutukoy sa mga tao, kultura at wika ng reliyon. Bicol language. The Bicol region has a latest 8 Bicol language. Buhi, Non-Bicol, Central Bicol, Libon, Miraya Bicol, Northern Catanduanes Bicol, Riconada Bicol, Southern Catanduanes Bicol, and West Albay Bicol. These further include at least 11 dialects. The Bicol that is spoken in Naga Albay is generally considered to be standard Bicol. Of Bicol region. The Bicol region was known as variously interpreted, derived from Ibalao, meaning to bring to the other side, or Ibalon, people from the other side, or people who are hospitable and give visitors gift to bring home. Ang Rehicol ay kilala bilang Ibalon ng may iba't ibang interpretasyon na nagmula sa Ibalero na nangangahulugang dahil sa kabilang panig o Ibalon. Ang mga taong mula sa kabilang panig o mga taong magpapatuloy at nagbibigay ng mga regalo sa mga bisita upang maiuwi. Maaaring ito rin ay isang katiwalian ng Gibalo. Ngayon ay isang sityo ng Barangay San Isidro, Sorsogon, kung saan unang dumaong ang mga Kastila noong 1569. Ang Bico River ay unang binanggit sa mga dokumento ng Espanyol noong 1572. Ang rehiyon ay tinatawag ding Los Camarines, pagkatapos ang mga kubo na natagpuan ng mga Kastila sa Camaligal Valley. Next. Bicol economy and tradition, occupation. Tinutukoy ng geografiya ang traditional na trabaho ng reliyon, agricultural and pangingisda. Noong 2013, nag-ambag ang Bicol ng 2.01% sa gross domestic product ng bansa. Ang gross regional domestic product ito ay tumaas ng 9.38%. Kung saan ang agrikultura ng pangangaso, paggugubat at pangingisda ay 23.35% ng ekonomiya. Ang sektor ng serbisyo ay nag-aambag ng 57% ng sektor ng industriya. Ang natitirang 20.3% ang rate na paglago ng agrikultura. Mula 2012 hanggang 2013 ay 4.63% ng mga panananim, 5.05% hayop, 1.26%, pangingisda 2.52% at manok. Ang mga pangunahing produkto ng agrikultura sa rehiyon ay manok, mais, tambakol o tulingan. Ang Bicol ay pumapangalawa sa silangang Visayas ng produksyon. Political system. Ang barangay system was in existence prior to Spanish arrival in 59. Records show no sign as Islamic rule, nor any authority surpassing the deity of chieftain. Free colonial leadership was based strength, courage, and intelligence. The natives seemed of political thus the datus influence mattered most during crises such as wars. Early Bicol society was family-centered and the leader was the head of the family. Example, matapang example ma'am, ni Garo, ano ma'am, kunyari, may sarong pamilya ma'am, tapos pasa-pasa lang sila sa, ano, sa leader. Garo ko kayo. Social organization, custom, and tradition. Naming children according to their attributes or the tradition marking their birth was a regional custom. Hence name such as Makusog, Strong, and Magayon. Beautiful. The practice still exists among a few Bicol families. Ang pagbibigay ng pangalan sa mga bata ayon sa kanilang mga katangian o mga kondisyon na nagmamarka ng kanilang kapanganakan ay isang kaugalian sa rehiyon, kaya ang mga pangalan tulad ng Makusog, Malakas at Magayon maganda. Ang
religious belief and practices. In 2003, the Roman Catholic Bicol comprised 94.27% of the region's population, followed by the Iglesia ni Cristo, members 1.41%, the Evangelicals 0.82%, and all others combined 3.70%. The most popular and distinct manifestation of Bicol faith is the special devotion to Nuestra Señora de Peñapracia, patroness of Bicol, who is endearingly addressed as Ina Mother. Her fest is commemorated with the procession of the transfer to the Naga Cathedral on the second Friday of September. A Hajj fluvial parade on the third Saturday of September back to the Basilica. Art and crafts of Bicol region. Paracali, the golden country in the Camarines Norte, has grown to be the center of jewelry making tradition. Although the art has declined since colonial times, some antique styles have survived the centuries, like that of the Agrimon, also known as the Alpahor and Alakday, the flat necklace chain of the 18th century, and the tambourine, the intricate golden bead necklace of the 19th century. Early Arcilla, Manilika ng Bayan, awardee for 1990, continues this Bicol legacy using old tools and methods, and the finishing process called sinasapo, which produce a reddish patina. Literacy art. Old fiddles are still being learned, but fiddling is ceased to be the recreational activity in Bicol today. The Patutudong idols reveals a concern with the familiar and material in the Bicol region. The abstract is made concrete. The first part of a positive metaphorical description and second part introduced as element meant to confuse as these example translated by Pilubit in Goyena del Prado 1981. Ang gurang de inaghiro, ang aki ng kakamang. Ang ibig sabihin, the mother does move the child cross squash plant. Ara mo pero da imo masabutan, da imo nasasabutan pero ara mo. You know but you don't understand. You do not understand but you know. Then the half woman and half snake or yol seducing hanjo. Yun yung nasa picture. Lagay in Camarines Sur 1990. Yun pong sa picture.
Ngayon po, si Patago sa literacy art. Daragang magayang an historial ni Mayon CCP 2013. Yun pong sa picture. Mike Solomon as Hanyon and Janine Desiderio as Oriol in Tanghalang Pilipinos Ibalo 2013. Hindi ko sa picture. Bicol dances, song and performing art. Pastors dancing and singing Christmas carol in Kamalig Albay 1989. Si pagkaranglan na isang tumatarag performance in Binabak Camarines Sur circa 1990. Ayun si picture. Pantomima dance Kamalig Albay 1989. Hindi po si nagaganap pag kinakasalang magagawin. Pagkalor Sinakulo Buhi Camarines Sur 1991. Hindi po si sa pagbigay po nila si nangyari po naman sabay po pag pinapasakitan si Kristo. Media art since from love Diaz kagadanan sa bunwaan ng mga engkanto 2007. Yung pong nasabi poster of Alvin Japan tapos yun 2013. Yung pong nihagas.
Question number 1. The ancient native word Bicol. Blank. Number 2. The region was called blank after the hut found by the Spaniard in Camaligalban. Number 3. Their fest is commemorated with the procession of the translation transferred to the Naga Cathedral on the second Friday of September and a Hajj Nobel parade on the blank of September.